How to return items using Walmart application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can return an item using the Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Walmart application. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. Then you have to head over to your purchase history. For that, navigate to the bottom right, tap on the account option. Under your account piece, here you have your purchase history where you can track your order status, start a return, view your purchase history and receipts. So tap on purchase history. From your purchase history, you can head over to all of your orders, and under that all tab, you have to pick the order. After you pick your order, tap on view details. Under the detail piece, there you will have an option as start a return. So tap on start a return. Now once you do that, you have to select the item and the reason why you want to return an item. Then you have to choose your return method, whether you want to go with in-store where you have to bring the item and the barcode, or if you want another method such as curbside, mail, FedEx drop off or home pickup if you are the Walmart Plus member. Once you do that, select your return method, whichever is feasible for you. Then you have to review your return status, then tap on submit. That's it. That's how you can return an item with the Walmart application. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.